Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Neha and I make videos on fashion and lifestyle. So today's video is going to be about accessorizing your simple shirt. It is about looking chic or elevating your simple look with minimum to zero efforts. So before we head into the video, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So now let's get into it. One of the simplest tricks is to wear a bow tie. It's such an unconventional accessory for women, but it definitely adds the element of modern chic to your outfit. Another great way to look effortlessly chic is to wear a statement piece, a necklace that'll go really well with a button-up shirt. A choker can be worn by unbuttoning the top two buttons of your shirt to give it a dressed-down look. Also, scarves are great for accessorizing a simple shirt. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And I'll see you next week.